I'm going to show you how to separate your MongoDB connection logic into a separate DB folder. And for that, first we're going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it util for utilities, and in this I'm going to create a file called db.js, and inside of this we are just gonna cut this. I'm gonna paste this in, add the mongoose require, okay, and I'm gonna make this a constant, which is going to be db, and it's going to be equal to this, and I'm going to do module.export, and it's equal to the db, okay. And I'm not going to save this right now. First I'm going to do db, and as you can see it's saying that this is available, so I'm just gonna add this in, and now we should still see MongoDB connected when I save this. And as you can see, our MongoDB is still connected. So this is how you save your MongoDB connection logic in a different folder, so that if you do need to do anything later on, you can just add it here. I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.